We moved to Seattle about 3.5 years ago. We eventually decided that we wanted to purchase a home and had a few neighborhoods that we were keen in on. And Jenny really spearheaded the home shopping experience alongside our real estate agent.
She was incredibly thorough, and I think we gave her our budget and our thought that this was like 6 to 8 months down the road. But given how tough of a market Seattle is, all of a sudden it was like, well, if you want a home at the end of your lease, you should start looking now because you're going to make multiple offers. So it was probably after losing out on 2 or 3 homes that at that point there was an open house in West Seattle.
Which was the one neighborhood we didn't want to end up in. And when we saw that home, it wasn't the right home for us, but we realized that the neighborhood may just be perfect. And so we focused intently on finding a home in West Seattle and saw a number of them, made offers on 2 or 3, and eventually landed on one that worked out. The home we have now is nothing like what we initially set out to find. It's 110 years old versus a relatively contemporary new construction, and well above our target price point.
You thought it was haunted when we
Yeah, it looked like a haunted house when we bought it. And some things about it that we definitely needed to improve before we actually wanted to live in it.
We renovated the kitchen and the deck, and it's got a fenced-in backyard for our daughter. So I think having our agent to help guide us to looking at homes that might need a little bit of love and attention at the front end, I think that's where she really was helpful.
Yeah, and we absolutely love the neighborhood.
Yeah.
It was a neighborhood we didn't consider at all up front, and I couldn't see us being in another neighborhood and being as satisfied as we are.
Mm-hmm.